Tonight, I'm going to be reviewing the all-new Oreo Coke Zero. First impressions. This reminds me a lot of Cherry Coke Zero. It has that cherry scent to it. That's just upon first smell. Almost like the Coke Zero cream. That's exactly what it smells like. But now, to try it out. I definitely sense some chocolate in there. You know, the chocolate in the Oreos. You taste more of the chocolate as you're swallowing it. Interesting flavor. It reminds me a lot of the cream Cokes, cherry Cokes. Nothing that sticks out really, that really tells you, oh, this is an Oreo Coke Zero. Now to do a burp test. Let's drink some more to get some loud burps out. Solid. Let's try for a louder one. You get a very slight taste of chocolate. Yeah, that's all I could really, that's the only way I could describe this drink. That sucked. I hate that. This isn't very fizzy either. I mean, look at that. You don't see a lot of fizz building up. I wonder if that's because of the flavoring that they added to this. I hope this isn't expired. No expiration date to be found. Typically Coke bottles that are distributed at grocery stores, convenience stores, don't have an expiration date usually. This doesn't taste flat, so I don't think it's expired. Yeah, not a lot of fizz. And as I know very well, fizz is what creates those loud burps. So I'm let down at the fizz factor here. That sucked too. That was a fizzy one. Even though there's not a lot of fizz in this. I just am not getting that burp that is complete. I feel like these burps are very short. I'm going to drink the rest of this and see if I can get a louder one. There we go. There's a complete one. That was a great one. I'm satisfied with that. Even though that was short, that was a complete burp. Damn it. One thing that is key for loud burps is hydration. And I'm going to hydrate by drinking some water. Be right back. Two thumbs up on that one. That was great. I hope you all enjoyed that review. It's a lackluster drink in my opinion. Just based on me expecting that it was going to taste very chocolatey. Like cream, cookies and cream. I was expecting that type of flavor, but I didn't get that. So I'll give it a 7 out of 10 because it tasted really good. I would have it again, but I don't think it's worth slapping an Oreo logo on it and saying that it's an Oreo Coke Zero, because if I had an Oreo and then I had an Oreo Coke Zero, I wouldn't really sense any of it. I sensed it very slightly. It was a very slight chocolate taste, but it was reminiscent of a cream Coke Zero or a cherry Coke Zero, so I don't know. It was an okay drink. I'll say that. I won't be as harsh. But yeah, that's my review.